You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down this pronunciation. There are going to be two different ways of pronouncing it. British English and American English have slightly different pronunciations, so let's get through. In British English in the UK, this is said as soy. Actually, the pronunciation of soy doesn't vary between the two. It's for sauce. Now, British English says it as sauce, soy sauce. In American English, however, it is rather pronounced as soy sauce, a more open R sound. Soy sauce, American English, versus soy sauce, British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.